Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, in this video we are going to see about Google's coding competition. Yes, Google has several coding competitions. In that, one of the competition is hash code. Now the registration of this hash code competition is open. So there are various competitions such as coding jam, Kickstarter, etc. But those registration is not yet started, and now you can have the registration for the code hash code Google's coding competition. Basically, this hash code competition is a team based programming competition. Yes, you need to have 2 to 4 members of team, but individually you should register and you can share that with your friends and you can form a team, and you'll be having 2 rounds. That is, one is a qualification round, another one will be the final round. So let us see those details now. So if you wanted to see what all the questions that have been asked in the past competition, you can check it out here in the past competitions, where you can see hash code archive. So where you can see 2022, 2018, all the files have been uploaded here. You can download or you can view it. So just you can help me show you 2021's final problem. Here you can see the hash codes details, and here you can see the problem description. So using this problem description, you need to solve those things. You can choose any of the programming language which you are preferred with. So now let me show you those details. So first, the thing is like you wanted to click this hash code. So here in this hash code, you can see the registration for hash code 2022 is open. Just click this register now. So once if you selected your account, it will be asking for few permissions. So you need to click allow. And after that, it will be navigated to create your profile part. So this is the main part. You need to create your profile first. So here you can see the public profile information, where first thing is like you wanted to create a nickname for yours which is not available by any other people. So let me create a nickname. And location you are representing, so you need to select your country. So as I am from India, let me select India. Then comes your personal information, where you need to enter your full name, the last name, your location, residence location. Again, you want to select your country. And later it asks for the information about your gender. So if you wanted, you can just select it, and once after clicking yes, it will be asking for the gender. You can select your gender. So if you're okay with providing your race or ethnicity, you can select it. Just click yes and you can select. So I'll click Asian. And your preferred coding language, here you need to select your coding language. There are various coding language options given, like Bash, C++, C#, C, Go, Java, JavaScript, PHP, Python 2, Python 3, Perl, Ruby, and others. You can select whichever you needed. So let me select Python 2. And you can select your professional here. This is for the students or professional. Any people can go for this part. So you can select whichever the part is belong to you. Or so let me select student here. You need to select your university name here and area of study. And you need to select your area of study. And which degree you're pursuing. If you're bachelor's or master's or doctorate, you can select these things, whichever you wanted. And which month or grade which month your graduation is be completing, you need to select that one. And you need to select your graduation year also here. and after entering the details, then you do you wish to be contacted about your job opportunities at Google. If you wish, you wanted to you can select as yes. So you can link your resume here, and LinkedIn URL link, you can select it. And if you wish to receive any email notification about other competition, you can select here yes, and other programs, and you can select it yes. So after selecting this, if you wanted to send some prizes, you can select here yes or no. If you're selecting yes, it will be asking for the name and address details. You can enter those details here. And here comes the coding competition terms, where you need to be at least 16 years old. Just select that, and then you need to agree the terms and condition of this Google coding competition. Just select that checkbox, and then you need to click this create profile button. Now you can see the profile has been created. So now the profile has been created, and now you can see it asks for the agree for the rules and regulations. Just click that one. So if you wanted to receive some notification about future AdCourse competition, you can click yes or no according to your preference, and then click register part. So now it shows that you are registered for the HashCode 2022 qualification round. So now the thing is, like, you wanted to form a team. As I intimated earlier, this is a team based competition. So even though if you're not having a team, you can just invite your friends. So they need to create a profile like this, and then they can join it. So let us see how to form a team. So, and please note that the qualification round should be done before February 24. So just click this form a team. So once if you click this form a team, so it will be asking for a team name, which should be a unique one, so that should not be available earlier. So you can just enter that, and you can check it out. So let me create a unique name like JP coding team, like that. Let me select create team. So let me enter as JP coder, and just creating the team. So now you can see the details showing that registration closes by February 24, 2022, and here you can see the warning that your team does not have enough member to able to complete. Your team must have at least 2 team members. So the minimum is like you should have 2 team members. So here you can see the link where you can just invite your friends to join this. So you can just copy this, and you can paste it in your friends numbers or email, or you can just share in any social media platform, so that any other people who doesn't have a team can join with your team also. So once after making this only, it will be going ahead with the next part of the qualification round. So here in the schedule you can see that which round currently you are, and what is the next round. You can see all the details of the time duration and qualification details, and upcoming when is going to happen. So world's finals will be on April 30, 2022. So once after forming the team, you can go ahead with the practice round, so where they are providing the time, and then the online qualification will be starting only on February 24, 2022. So till that, you can, after forming the team, you can just check with this practice round, and then later only you can move for the online qualification, and only after qualifying this online qualification you'll be moving to the finals part. And later, if you're winning, you'll be getting a certificate. So there are some minimum criterias where you need to have some points for this online qualification. Once if you're earning those points for the online qualification, you'll be getting the certificates from the Google for this HashCode based thing. And this is all about the Google's online competition about a hash code. And thank you for watching.